2024-25 Panini Prizm Hobby Basketball 1 box. Pick your team break number 21. While I'm waiting for Sing to send, I'm going to add. What do I have in the store? Just 22. I'm gonna add 23 and 24. Durango. We had some attackers earlier today. Earlier this morning, we had some attackers. Haba, how we doing? There were some attackers this morning. Okay. Just how I'm gonna find it. Are you there yet, Haba? Or not yet? So 22. There's 23. Okay, 23. I'm gonna go 24. Let's have two in the store. Boom. There we are. First at a breakfast break? Or did you mean to say that? Wait, first at a basketball break, but a lot of Prizm, Spectra Football, Tops, Baseball Chrome. Oh, at Billy. I was like, I thought that was Hama. First basketball break, but a lot of Prizm, Spectra, Topps Chrome Baseball. Dude, I want to do some Topps Chrome, some of the Topps Chrome football. It looks really good. It looks really good. Sing, I'll get it right now. What up, Miles? How you doing, brother? I haven't seen you forever. I'm not on baseball much anymore, but it's good to see you. How you been? Now I'm leaving. You can still hang out and not spend money. It's okay. Self-control, self-control. Just chill and vibe. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. Well, it's always good to see you, brother. Go watch the Blez break. Wait. Just to watch it later, basically? Is that what you're saying? The next Prizm is in the store as well. It's up to 22 and people are already taking their spots. Already taking their spots. Good luck, everybody. I'll leave it in there. Alright, good luck. Good luck, everybody. Russell Westbrook looks so old in that picture. There's Wemby. And there's Ron Holland the second to 49 for the Pistons. Cianor. Very nice. DeMar DeRozan. DeMar DeRozan on the Red Wave. Antonio Reeves and Jeremy Grant. I have a feeling this box is going to be good. I have a feeling. Here's our first auto. What are marketing? There's Shaden Sharp. Red Wave of Dominique Wilkins. That's to 225. Mitchell Robinson on the auto. No, not an auto actually. Just silver. That's been backwards. I don't think it's a variation either. Weird. Shannon. These last couple cards are always stuck together. They got me on that one. They definitely got me on that one. Dominique Wilkins. Alright, I think this box is going to be weird. Brooklyn Nets. Nicholas Claxton. Nicholas Claxton. Matas Buzelis. There you go for the Bulls. Going to dart. Very nice. Very nice. Matas Buzelis. Sensational signatures. Sensational rookie signatures. Going to Darterney. Very nice piece. There we go. It's a good auto. It's a good auto. Jaylen Brown. Oso. Khalil Ware and Shaquille O'Neal. Let's see. Harnstein, Jared Allen. Wow. Zach Eddy to 225. All right. Who got the Grizzlies? All right, Robert. There we go. Take it. Very nice. Rookie silver. Tyler Smith. Jared McCain and Dirk Nowitzki. We'll just top load right there. Silver. Oop. So Westbrook. There's Curry. Wow, what a box. What a box. Sensational signatures. Zach Eddy. There you go. Number 14 inscription. Let's get the Grizzlies again. Wow, Bass. Just popping it off. Popping it off. Very nice. Two nice autos. What if we get like more than just one auto? And there's Zachary. Zachary. What if we get more than two autos? Oh God, what if we do? Josh, Isaiah Hartenstein, Rasheed Wallace. Nope, Jaylen Brown, silver. I think it's just going to be the silvers that are also going to be backwards. Kind of weird. That's a good box, though. Tyus Jones. Dylan Brooks and Magic Johnson. Bob Carrington. Red Wave, not numbered. It's nice. No way we're getting three autos. Cam Christie. Rookie silver auto for the Clippers. Three autos in this box. What is going on here? Cam Christie, silver rookie. Asar Thompson, Nico Topic, Cody Williams, and KG. Is that normal? Or is it, I mean, has it happened before? Have you guys seen, you know, a box with multiple autos or more than two autos? One box in this case was missing an auto. Oh. I mean, I feel like we're going to get maybe another. So we got shorted an auto in a box. Bradley Beal to 125. There's Kevin. So that's probably what happened then. KJ Simpson and Rob Dillingham. That's for sure what happened then. Oh shit. There it is. That's for sure what happened. Shock and like a pulsar.
Oh, you're over here today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clint Capella.
I was wondering what you were doing here. I was in my head. I was like, "What is he?" But then I realized it was like 8 when you said hi, so I was like, "Okay," or 9. So I was like, "Oh, maybe he's somewhere else." But that makes sense. You've been here since 6.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I actually fell asleep like a.
You're like so quiet. I didn't even know you were here. Like Hama, I know is here. I say hi to him every morning.
I'm a soft-spoken guy
I did
though.
not even know you were actually here.
Yeah.
That's funny.
But I was up till like 2 o'clock watching like The Walking Dead.
You're out of your mind, and then you came in here at 6 a.m.
Yep.
Goodbye.
I mean, I live like not even 5 minutes away, so.
Me too, actually.
I'm very close.
Are you in an apartment complex or a house?
House.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Ron Holland and Naz Reid. You know where the Taco Bowl is down the street that way by like Little Seniors
Fort
and stuff?
Apache?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I live like right there. I can walk there.
That's funny. So yeah, if you go like through all those that big old subdivision of a bunch of houses, go all the way down to like Durango. I'm in that apartment complex.
Oh.
Aviara or whatever. So
Yeah.
that's funny.
Everything's so close here. Rob Dillingham.
I love it. Yeah, because where my dad lives, like he lives way off in Summerlin, and like
Yeah.
things were close there, but like not as close. Like here, there's a lot more. I'm like,
Yeah.
wow, there's more fast food options and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Over there, they just have like.
I just put gas for the first time in like 2 months.
I feel that too. Yeah.
It was
I don't have to
amazing.
make a 15-minute drive anymore on the highway. I can just go down Durango.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Okay, see you later.
Bye. Let's see. Is it a white? Ooh, we got a white to 35. There's a white to 35. It's for the Celtics. All right, Joe. Wow. Derek White on the white prism. That's actually sick. Derek White on the white prism. 74 out of 175. That's actually sick. That's funny. They're not to 35 in this one. Like I said, today's the first day I'm ripping any NBA Prizm, so picking up on the parallels right now. Khalil Ware, silver. Khalil Ware, 3-pointer. Harrison Barnes, Dwayne Wade, Zach, and Matas Buzelis. All right, last pack. We did get some big names, or nice. Wow, there's a gold. There's a gold. Guess the gold for 25. Guess the gold for 25. There's Larry Bird. Go, go, go. There's not many people in the chat, I think. But guess the gold for 25. Peyton Watson. Ben Shepard, or Reed Shepard, sorry. I'll give it a second there. Guess the gold for 25. Do all this real quick. He's so good. At least say his first name. Oh lordy, that was funny. That was funny. Alrighty, give it a couple more seconds. Bam Adebayo, 3-pointer. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Buzelis. Matas is the last entry, Sifu. Thank you, Sifu. Matas is the last entry. Good luck, everybody. there. Here's a gold. Upside down. Rookie. It is a rookie. Yves Missi for the Pelicans. Where's New Orleans? There you go, Robert. 4 out of 10. The gold. I don't think anybody said him, huh? Did anybody say him? Can someone guess check? Is it really? Dude, I have no clue, to be honest, on this year's class besides Zach, Matas, and Zachary. Is he really that big? I only know like I said, like Zach, Matas, and Buzelis. I put Yves and it said Yves Saint Laurent. Nah, fair enough. He's putting up decent stats. He's almost putting up a double-double. He's putting up 8-5, 8-1. Oh, Pelicans stink though. Holy shit. It's nice though. It is nice to see a gold rookie to 10. I've been reviewing a lot of top stuff, so I only see a lot of golds to 50. He actually plays, and Jags was saying that he's a guy. That he has a guy buying all big Macy's. Oh shit. Robert Bass crushed then. Bass crush. He did actually though. He actually did crush. I did call out his name a couple times. Dude, it was a good box. It was a great box. Zach on the, what is that, like, oh, it's the basketball parallel, yeah. On the basketball parallel, 1 to 225. Like I said, first time ripping it, so it's hard to even tell. It looked like an orange to me. Dominique Wilkins, Khalil Ware on the silver. Bradley Beal, blue ice, 125. Ron Holland on the true orange to 49. Derek White to 175 on the white. Ron Holland again on the red wave. Beat those together. Bob Carrington on the red wave. DeMar DeRozan red wave. Cam Christie Clippers. Zach sensational auto. Matas sensational autos. And Yves Missi true rookie gold 4 out of 10. I will beat the Zach, the Matas, the Yves, and the Ron Hollands together. Unless you guys, who? Oh wait, there's Zach again. Who has the Wizards? Oh, Robert. I'll also be Bob Carrington together with Zach too, because he also has the Grizzlies. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, because I know we're. I'll say after the video. That was 2024-25 Panini Prizm Hobby Basketball 1 box pick your team break number 21. Thank you, folks. It's the break.